Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we aim to explore the transformative concept of unlocking your magnetic power to enhance your relationships. Many individuals often find themselves struggling to connect deeply with their partners, and this is where understanding your magnetic energy becomes essential. We will delve into how this unique power can attract the right kind of love and foster meaningful connections. Viewers can expect to learn about the significance of commitment in romantic relationships, as it serves as the foundation for trust and intimacy. We will discuss how genuine commitment not only strengthens bonds but also creates a safe space for vulnerability and growth. Throughout the video, we will provide practical insights and strategies to help you tap into your magnetic potential, enabling you to draw in the love and connection you desire. By the end of this journey, you will have a clearer understanding of how to cultivate a deeper connection with your partner and enhance your romantic life. We invite you to engage with the content, reflect on your own experiences, and embrace the possibility of transformation. This video is designed to be a catalyst for change, encouraging you to unlock your true potential and create the fulfilling relationships you've always wanted. Join us as we embark on this enlightening exploration together. Understanding what you truly desire in a relationship is crucial for achieving fulfillment and happiness. It's essential to take the time to reflect on your relationship goals, whether that involves seeking genuine apologies, deeper commitments, or simply a more profound connection with your partner. By identifying these desires, you create a roadmap for what you want to manifest in your romantic life. Clarity is key. When you know exactly what you seek, you can communicate your needs more effectively and align your actions with your intentions. This clarity not only helps you attract the right partner, but also empowers you to cultivate healthier dynamics in existing relationships. Moreover, recognizing your desires opens the door to the potential for rekindling past relationships or elevating current ones to new heights. It allows you to approach your partner with a renewed sense of purpose and understanding, fostering an environment where both individuals can thrive. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery, remember that knowing what you want is the first step toward creating the love life you envision. Embrace this opportunity to reflect deeply on your aspirations and watch as your relationships transform in alignment with your newfound clarity. By doing so, you set the stage for meaningful connections that resonate with your true self and desires. Listening to this video can be a powerful catalyst for the relationship changes you desire. It's important to reassure you that even a single listening session can initiate significant results. Many viewers may be surprised to discover that just absorbing the insights shared can spark a shift in perspective, leading to new behaviors and attitudes in your relationships. However, for those seeking deeper transformations, we encourage you to revisit the content regularly. Repetition is a vital component of the manifestation process, as it reinforces the concepts and allows them to sink deeper into your subconscious. The more you engage with the material, the stronger your manifestations will become, ultimately fostering deeper connections with your partner. Additionally, we want to introduce the concept of feeling as a key element in this process. Manifestation is not just about thoughts, it's about the emotions you associate with your desires. By truly feeling the love, commitment, and connection you wish to cultivate, you align your energy with those outcomes. This emotional resonance amplifies your ability to attract the relationships you seek. As you listen and reflect, allow yourself to immerse in the feelings of joy, love, and fulfillment that come with your ideal relationship. By combining the power of listening, repetition, and emotional engagement, you set the stage for profound changes in your romantic life. Now let's engage in a visualization exercise designed to enhance your connection with your special person. Begin by finding a comfortable position, closing your eyes, and taking a few deep breaths to center yourself. As you breathe in, imagine the warmth of love filling your heart. Now picture your special person reaching out to you, their presence radiating warmth and affection. Visualize them smiling at you, their eyes sparkling with excitement and magic, as if the universe has conspired to bring you together. Allow yourself to feel the thrill of this connection, embracing the joy that love can bring into your life. As you continue to visualize, guide your thoughts toward the deep emotional connections you share. Imagine the moments you've spent together, the laughter, the conversations, and the quiet times that have strengthened your bond. Picture yourselves engaging in activities that bring you joy, whether it's a cozy dinner, a walk under the stars, or simply enjoying each other's company. Feel the love and understanding that flows between you, creating a safe space for vulnerability and growth. Let these feelings of excitement and magic envelop you, reinforcing the belief that your connection is not only possible, but also destined to flourish. By regularly practicing this visualization, you'll cultivate a deeper emotional connection with your partner, paving the way for a more fulfilling and loving relationship. Affirmations play a vital role in strengthening relationships, serving as powerful tools to reinforce love and commitment. By regularly affirming your feelings mentally, you create a positive mindset that nurtures your connection with your partner. These affirmations can be simple yet profound statements, such as "I love and cherish my partner," or "We are committed to growing together." By vocalizing these thoughts, you not only remind yourself of your dedication, but also cultivate an atmosphere of love and support within the relationship. Moreover, affirmations contribute to building mutual understanding and trust, which are essential components of any healthy partnership. When both partners engage in affirming each other's strengths and qualities, it fosters a deeper appreciation for one another. This practice encourages open communication, allowing both individuals to express their needs and desires without fear of judgment. It's important to remember that love, when nurtured through consistent affirmations and understanding, can overcome challenges that may arise. Life can present obstacles, but by reinforcing your commitment and love for each other, you create a resilient foundation that can weather any storm. Embracing the power of affirmations not only strengthens your bond, but also empowers you to face difficulties together, emerging even stronger as a couple. By integrating affirmations into your daily routine, you can cultivate a thriving relationship filled with love, trust, and mutual respect. As we conclude this segment, it's essential to encourage you to expect positive changes in your relationships. Believing in the manifestation process is crucial. Your mindset plays a significant role in shaping your reality. When you hold a firm belief that your desires can and will manifest, you open yourself up to the possibilities that lie ahead. This belief acts as a powerful magnet, attracting the love and connection you seek. Accepting and trusting that your desires are on their way is equally important. It's easy to become discouraged when results don't appear immediately, but remember that the universe operates on its own timeline. By maintaining faith in the process, you create a space for your dreams to unfold naturally. Embrace the idea that what you desire is already in motion, even if you can't see it yet. Moreover, the potential for life-changing shifts in your romantic life is immense. As you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your intentions, you may find that relationships transform in ways you never imagined. Whether it's rekindling a spark with a partner or attracting someone new, the possibilities are endless. By fostering a positive outlook and trusting in the manifestation process, you empower yourself to create the love life you've always dreamed of. So keep your heart open and your expectations high, as wonderful changes are just around the corner. In summary, we've explored the transformative power of listening and visualization in enhancing your relationships. By engaging with the content of this video, you've taken a significant step toward unlocking your magnetic potential and fostering deeper connections with your partner. We discussed how visualization exercises can help you imagine the love and commitment you desire, while affirmations reinforce your intentions and beliefs. Together, these practices create a strong foundation for manifesting the relationships you envision. As we wrap up, we encourage you to engage with our community by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from these insights. Your support not only helps us reach more people, but also fosters a space for shared growth and learning. Whether you're looking for guided meditations, affirmation lists, or articles on relationship dynamics, we have a wealth of information to assist you. Remember, the journey to transforming your love life is ongoing, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.